Britney, rap, grime, hip-hop, drill. You're through to BarScope, you know the drill. Alright, safe. We got 21 District, Compressor, yeah? Someone recommended this. Who recommended it? Let's get a quick look at who recommended it. Tongan Zeus. Yeah, so big up you, innit?
Big up Tongan.
I'm hearing these are ups for 1-4 and the next one. So
1-4 and 2.
Yeah, we've reacted to, well, I've reacted to a few of 1-4's videos already, you know, so when they get into this one, let's go. Subscribe to the channel and big up my Australian crew.
Fuck me, you gotta be fucking kidding me.
All good?
Come down.
So as soon as the video starts, it's getting pulled over by Federale.
Yeah, J-Lex! Still with it?
Just the Usain Bolt strides, you know.
Yeah, nah. Now they're saying, hey look, we need to talk. Yeah, nah. When feds wanna take out the tape and press record. Yeah, nah. Machine on the off, feeling my preference of ops. My comp get precious, a compressor. Things get squashed, wipe like I'm up one sweep and they all get washed.
Feds trying to put us on reels, but how can I complain when the papers they finally see who's real? I was up with the bros on hills, time put back like Jack and Jill. Now we out here making a comeback, Malik and RG giving them chills. These days I don't get feels anymore. When I'm up, then I feel that thrill. Get far when I pop two and I observing a lot. There's a big man drill. I love when a big man squeal. I've got those for any ordeals. From God, it just got more real when I grab that hottie and murk that, insert that, click that. Now they're saying, hey look, we need to talk. Yeah, nah. When feds wanna take out the tape and press record. Yeah, nah. Machine on the off, feeling my preference of ops. My comp get precious, a compressor. Things get squashed, wipe like I'm up one sweep and they all get washed. It's solid, 21 district game for the ballers. We back on set with the rest. Too much text, but they got no callers. Yeah, like, who's on it? We on it, and I'm there like.
Don't it almost sound like a foreign song though, like
That, yeah, like a totally different
like
language.
a different like Spanish or something like that. It's hard to understand and to hear English words and that, but
You hear it still. It's the accent, some of the words you can't catch, but some of them you can.
Anyone talk, I'm sorting. And if I'm locked, then I'll slaughter. Brother, they raise the stakes and we call it. Come see me walk that yard with a fat or double the neck. We got bang for the set like me. We put fouls in the head on G's with G's, got G's on G's. Flash me cash, I made you cheap. Movie is body harmful and needed. And left bleeding, and no peace and go. Go hard, don't fall out. Guns out, backpack with the goods about. Check this bitch when you see my wrist, like flip that shit, locking it down. Swear I'm focused and earning. But if I dirty, I'll clip it 30 and burn him. Talk that talk, cause I cop that lock. Little dog say lurking, aye.
Still on the field finna reach my freedom. Been running the ball since leaders. How can I say that they out here beefing, but not on the strip and the whole game's creeping? Pull up quick, gang spray. All day beefing, but not on the field finna reach.
How can they say that they're out here beefing when they're not on the strip, when the whole crew's creeping? What the hell?
Wrist like flip that shit, locking it down. Swear I'm focused and earning. But if I dirty, I'll clip it 30 and burn him. Talk that talk, cause I cop that lock. Little dog say lurking, aye.
Still on the field finna reach my freedom. Been running the ball since leaders. How can I say that they out here beefing, but not on the strip and the whole game's creeping? Pull up quick, gang spray. All day shit, gang, load that clip and bang, bang. Got beef that I cannot drop, so till I'm done this shit won't stop. No way. Got soldiers out on roads and we got soldiers up in lock. I pray for the day that my whole gang eats when my soldiers get released. Trust when the gang touch down in the opposite zone, that place complete. Got too much pride inside, if they want smoke, consider it done.
These are, because you see 1-4, I feel like I need to show you a 1-4, you know. Off cam probably, but 1-4's a group as well. But they're hard, look, they're all hard, man.
Yeah.
But this is the first impressions of 21 District, they're hard. Like, I know these two are ups and that, but I can say, listen, 1-4 is hard still. But this is the first tune I've heard of the...
Of 21
District, yeah.
What do you think of this then? So
they're alright, but alright, the first person I heard was YP. That's the first Australian artist I heard, YP. And from when I heard him, people saying in the comment section, yo, you need to listen to 1-4 because that's where it's from, 1-4. Listen to 1-4, I'm like, yo, these are hard blood. In the beginning is one sick tune as well. That's one of the tunes I've reacted to.
One of the first ones.
Yeah, I've reacted to. But these, first time hearing them, I'm comparing them to 1-4 already, and I feel like obviously 1-4 is harder at spitting from what I can hear so far still. Like, remember, I'm just from the UK. I ain't involved.
No affiliation.
No affiliation. What I'm saying, yo, lyrically,
No, trust me, this, you lot are good as well.
lyrically though, yeah, 1-4.
Bros in the ACT, don't worry about me, I rep that 6-1 all day. Trust that the jewels get done in the PM when the packs get flung. Out on the road if you wanna get some black karma's a bitch, that's why you lost
Now
one.
they're saying, hey look, we need to talk, yeah nah. When feds wanna take out the tape and press record, yeah nah. Machine on the off, feeling my preference of ops, my comp get pressures, compressor. Yeah, squash, wipe like I'm up one sweep and they all get washed. One sweep and I'm leaving a mess, please talk tough and you will get stretched. Right, how can I take them serious? They looked up to cunts and I'm pressed. No pressure, run up all day. No emergency, but I raise this stick, watch all of these cunts give way. Ha ha, ain't no tactics, only dons in the inner west traffic. Get it got and it will be graphic. How about and got put on a catfish? Lad, I ride for the gang, trust don't play in the 21 era. And if you take that trip and you wear that wrist, tell mum you'll be back by never. Tell mum you'll be back by never. Saying, hey look, we need to talk, yeah nah. When feds wanna take out the tape and press record, yeah nah. Machine on the off, feeling my preference of ops, my comp get pressures, a compressor. Cunts get squashed, wipe like I'm up one sweep and they all get washed. Now chicks wanna go for a walk, yeah nah. When feds wanna take out the tape and press record, yeah nah. Machine on the off, feeling my preference of ops, my comp get pressures, a compressor. Cunts get squashed, wipe like I'm up one sweep and they all get washed.
It's a grower still. Like, I can see how this one could grow on you if you listen to it a few times. The hook's catchy.
Nah, for real.
Yeah, what you
That
reckon?
was nah, like the chubby geezer, yeah, he was the hardest still. Like, I don't normally listen to these type of songs, but yo, this is a song, yeah, like Australian geezers as well. I'd never thought like they had to be jumping on drill like that.
That's what I'm saying. But that's the first thing I thought. I thought, yo, they're on the other side of the world from us,
Trust me,
literally.
fam.
It's
And
the
they're making it
other side
sound
of the
different.
world.
Like,
So even though it's still drilly, they've got their own
trust
little
me,
style.
like, it
to
almost sounds like sometimes it sounds like French. Like it's just different language in that way. It's serious though. It's different.
But yeah, man.
Yeah, the visuals is as serious though. Just keep it up.
For real, 21 District. I'm gonna check out more of their stuff. We'll check out more of their stuff differently. If you just leave the, recommendations in the comment section. If you feel like there's something harder that we need to listen to, pause, then just send that through, and we'll go check that out. Yeah. So you know the drill. If you're new, subscribe. If you've been here before, welcome back, my guys. Let's go.